Hey, you guys, y'all, I received my package and my seasonings and things from the Sprinkle Factory. So this is what inspired my dish for today. So y'all stay tuned for the goodness. Your girl is back. Goalie got me activated. For everybody who been rocking with me, if you know, you know. That's all the explaining I'm gonna do. That's it and that's all. All right. Y'all, excuse the ashiness of the hands in this clip. Yeah, your girl has been working hard. She's been working hard that day. I don't even know what I was doing. I just know I've been working hard doing something. But anyway, excuse the ash. I ordered some of the Sprinkle Factory seasonings, and what came in the batch I ordered was the all-purpose seasoning, the seafood seasoning, the honey butter cinnamon roll seasoning, and also the lemon pepper honey garlic. So y'all, this is the inspiration for today's dish of what I'm cooking, and y'all stay tuned to see how it turns out. So right here, I'm just showing the packaging of it. Everything was sealed and airtight. It was no damage, no leakage or anything. Everything was packaged very nicely. This right here are the two products of hers that I'm using in today's recipe, which is the all-purpose seasoning and the lemon pepper honey garlic. Today we are making wings. Yes, some air-fried lemon pepper honey garlic wings. So y'all, I ain't even gonna tell y'all how it came out, but just listen, follow the recipe, you won't be disappointed. All right. Okay, so we've washed our chicken. My hands are clean. So now what we're going to do is pat the chicken dry. We want to get all that excess water off the chicken so the chicken can come out crispy. If you like soggy chicken, skip this step. But me, I don't like soggy chicken. I like crispiness. So I'm going to go ahead and pat mine off. Now we're going to season. We're going to season it with the all-purpose seasoning from the Sprinkle Factory. Then we're going to hit it with some paprika. Why we do paprika? It's for the color. Paprika really doesn't have a taste unless it's like smoked paprika. It has a little something. But I like paprika on all my stuff because it adds color. Melanation is what I like my chicken to have, okay? And then because we're making lemon pepper wings, why not add some lemon pepper to her? Yeah, it only makes sense, you know? And we're going to mix that around. And if you feel like how I did, that the chicken needed more seasoning, what do? You add more, okay? I do not measure. I just go with what the spirit, how the spirit leads me, okay? Cooking is relative. You do what you want to do with your food, because guess who eating it? You! That's right. I told y'all Goldie got me activated. So we're going to go ahead and season that up real good. Mix it up. Get it well coated over everything. And now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. You don't have to add olive oil. Before the olive oil, y'all, I almost forgot. The baking powder. Yeah. That's the extra little step to make it more crispier. Yes. Y'all didn't know that, did ya? Did ya? But you add some baking soda. Then you go ahead and add a little bit of, did I say baking soda? Lord Jesus, please help me. Baking powder, okay? You add some baking powder, not soda, powder. Then you're going to add a little bit of oil. You add whatever type of oil you like, be it avocado, coconut. I added olive oil, okay? So you want to coat that real good. And then here's how your chicken should look. It should be looking similar to this. And we're going to add her in the air fryer. Now I sprayed the air fryer with some cooking spray. Now we're going to layer the chicken down into the air fryer where they're not like overlapping, because we want them to cook evenly. And then after they've cooked some on one side for maybe about 10-15, we're going to flip them over. Okay, and I got her on 400 degrees. And like I said, for about 15 minutes, check it, then flip her. Y'all, and shout out to this air fryer. Shout out to her. It's very big. I love it. I'm going to do a review on this air fryer too. I just have to. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so as the chicken is doing its thing in the air fryer, I'm just trying to get my honey together. So her directions were to keep the honey refrigerated. I guess so the ingredients that's included won't go bad or get spoiled. So it's still kind of in the solid state and has solidified. Is that a word? I think it is. Sorry. But it's still in a solid state for being in the refrigerator and being cold. So I'm going to put some in this ramekin and put it in the microwave so it can kind of thin out. And this is it right here after it's been in the microwave. And y'all, I tasted it and the burst of flavor that just has a party. It have a whole homecoming family reunion on your tongue, honey. It's something serious. Anyway, y'all know I do too much. I just do too much. So here's the chicken. I'm flipping it over. It's at the halfway point now. So I'm flipping it over so it can finish getting done and we can pour this greatness over it, y'all. I was so excited. But it's really, 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 really good. So keep watching. Okay, you guys, our wings are done. Aren't they pretty? They're so golden and crispy. Y'all, these wings were so good, full of flavor. It just make you wanna wait a minute. Wait. Let me get it right. Make you wanna pop. Make your mouth pop. Yes, with that tanginess of that lemon pepper and then that sweetness of the honey. Try it. Get it. Order the honey, butter, garlic, lemon pepper. Order it. Okay? She's on Instagram. I will put her Instagram name in the description box below. Do yourself a favor. Bless yourself. Get it. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, if you enjoyed this video, I ask that you please subscribe to the channel. You guys, it's free. It's free. Help us sister out and subscribe. And also leave me a comment of what you would like for me to make next. I'll do it all. Just let me know. Alright, so remember to stay blessed, drink plenty of water, and mind your business. See you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.